It's not really a surprise that 70% of buyers paused their home search last year. Maybe you were one of them. Inventory was too low, prices were too high, and mortgage rates were bouncing all over. That made it really hard to find a home you loved and could afford. More homeowners are jumping back into their search to make a move this year. Builders are finishing more homes, and together that's creating more options for you when you make a move. When you sell, you don't want to feel like it's impossible to find your next home. You also don't want inventory to be so high it takes ages for your house to sell. Right now, you'll get the best of both worlds. According to Realtor.com, inventory has jumped 28.5% since this time last year, but it's still below pre-pandemic levels in most markets. Basically, there are more homes to choose from when you make your move, but not so many that you have to struggle to sell your current house. Your home should sell quickly if you work with an agent to make sure it's priced right and prepped to impress. If you've been waiting for the housing market to give you a sign, it just did. Whether you're looking to move, scale up, scale down, or relocate completely, this might be the best balance we've seen in a while. What's holding you back from taking advantage of this sweet spot? Give us a call here at the Expert Real Estate Team, 864-895-9791.